Hey, what's up? As you have already understood from the title of this video, today we are going to talk about Haylou GT6. The new wireless earbuds have Bluetooth 5.2 connection, 12mm dynamic driver, semi-in-ear design, AAC audio codec support, and up to 21 hours of battery life. However, one of the main features of Haylou GT6 is a new design of charging case. Let's talk about it in details, but first, let's do unboxing. You know, I ordered the earbuds from China, but the seller didn't pack it well. As a result, I received a crumpled box like this. Have you ever received a crumpled package from China? Write in the comments below. Fortunately, the charging case and earbuds are fine. There is also a user manual in the package, but no charging cable. I'm a little surprised. We're gonna also see on the back of the box that the charging cable is not included. It's not a big deal, but most other budget wireless earbuds have charging cables in the package. As I already said, one of the main features of Haylou GT6 earbuds is the new design of charging case. It opens like an engagement ring box. The case is made of matte black plastic, but also the earbuds and charging case are available in white color. There is only Haylou logo on the top of the case. On the right side we can see USB Type-C charging port. Inside the case we have left and right earbuds. By the way, the earbuds are half glossy and half matte. It looks very nice. Haylou GT6 have semi-in-ear design, so there are no silicone ear tips. However, they have touch buttons, LED indicators, charging contacts, and microphones. Talking about comfort, the earbuds are very lightweight, only 3.9 grams, so they are very comfortable to wear. The weight of the charging case with earbuds inside is 41 grams. By the way, I didn't find any information about waterproof standard of Haylou GT6. Probably they are not protected from water. As I already said, Haylou GT6 earbuds have touch control panels. Using them you can play pause and music with short press on the earbud. Then you can double-click on the right earbud to play the next song. By the way, I just found that Haylou GT6 has low latency mode. You need to double-click on the left earbud to activate it. Later we will test the latency in games with this mode. A triple press on any earbud calls voice assistant on smartphone. You can also short press on the earbuds when somebody calls on your phone to answer the call. By the way, when there's a new incoming call during a call, you can click on touch button to keep the first call and enter the second one. Then double-click touch button to return to the first call and keep the second one. That's very convenient. As you can see, Haylou GT6 earbuds don't have volume control. Now let's start the latency of the new Haylou earbuds. The manufacturer promises 65 milliseconds low latency. I have already turned on the low latency mode. Haylou GT6 earbuds have low latency mode, and it really works. It is better to activate it when you play games. Haylou GT6 are budget wireless earbuds, only $22, so I'm not surprised that they have a single microphone. However, let's check its quality. Hey guys, I'm testing the microphone of Haylou GT6. There is a fan running in my studio, so you can hear the noise. However, I hope the quality of the microphone is good. You know, I listened to the sound, and I think the mic quality is not bad for $22 earbuds. Do you agree? I have tested many wireless earbuds, and each time I am convinced that budget earbuds for $20 can have about the same sound quality as $50 or even some $100 earbuds. Haylou GT6 have a quite big 12mm dynamic drivers and AAC audio codec support. The sound quality is really good. There is enough bass, but no sound distortion. Thanks to semi-in-ear design of earbuds, the sound is 360 degrees, unlike the earbuds with silicone ear tips that have the sound directed in your ears. Now let's talk about battery of Haylou GT6 earbuds. So there is 35 mAh battery inside each earbud, while a charging case has 310 mAh battery. The playtime on a single charge is 5.5 hours, and charging case offers an extra 15 hours of battery life. So the total battery life is about 20.5 hours. I cannot say it is very long, but it is okay for budget earbuds. As I already said, the price of Haylou GT6 earbuds is only $22 on AliExpress. These are budget earbuds, so they cannot be perfect. For example, I miss volume control, active noise cancellation, equalizer, and some other features that more expensive earbuds have. However, for $22, Haylou GT6 have very nice design of charging case and earbuds themselves. Also, they are comfortable to wear. The sound quality is also the same as some other more expensive earbuds. It is really good. So if you want budget wireless earbuds with good sound quality and you don't need extra features, then Haylou GT6 is a good option for you. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.